Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're excited to announce 992.2 tuning support for the base model. Our partners at M Engineering have developed software calibration for the 992.2, which we've been waiting a long time for, and the results are purely amazing. We're talking about a 200 horsepower increase with just software. So if you have a base 911, a T, doing this software tune is going to effectively put you at what a GTS tune car would have been for the 992.1 generation. So 200 horsepower, an incredible amount, makes a car extremely fast. The process is a little different from the current OBD support on the 992.1. So the ECU is actually going to have to be removed from the car. We'll provide you a label, send it to M Engineering so they can unlock the ECU. That'll get the tune loaded on there, send it back to you, and you will have 200 more horsepower. So if you're interested in having more performance out of your 992.2, check us out at flat6.com. It's available now.